Alright, welcome. My name's Scuba Vet Dan, and I'll be walking you through the Laisimo L3. This is it in front of you. Pretty nice. It's not as heavy as what the L1 is, I don't think. Good device, however we need to load the driver. So let's do that. We're not in a Windows environment. You're going to go ahead and go to the drivers folder. I'm running Windows 7. And I believe it's 32-bit. Let me check real quick. Yep, it's 32-bit. So let me close this. And we're going to go ahead and run this file. This will install the driver into the computer. Just click patch. Let it run through the preparing the install process. Once this gets done, it'll go away. And then it'll show that it's done on the patch program. We're just going to close this and we're going to sit and wait because the Windows is actually going to go through, unpacking the driver and getting it ready to install on the computer. This is the same process as the L1. You have to install the driver first before you can actually connect the device. However, with the L1, you had to hold the power button and put the battery in and then let go of the power button while it was connected to the computer, and then it would recognize it. Or now you just basically turn the L3 on and then plug the cable into it and it recognizes it. So we should be getting a pop-up. I've already installed this before on the L1, so I'm just going to hit repair, click next, and sit and wait for it to get finished. And then it'll show that a driver was installed for the USB. You just click next, and it installs the driver, and that's the ST Micro, and that's the one we want. Click finish. Now we're going to go and get the Laisimo. We'll get it all nice and ready and get it hooked up. You gotta power it on first. Wait until we get to the background screen. And gotta get the cable and plug it on up. Now it's it's sliding around. Hang on. Okay, let me get 2 hands in here. Alright, connected. Let's switch back to the computer. Now, when you plug it in, I've got Device Manager up. I went ahead and unplugged it, and I'm going to plug it back in so you can see that it shows up in Device Manager right there. Alright, now we're going to try and do the upgrade, because that's what they tell us to do, is go ahead and upgrade it, to begin with. The problem I'm having though is that I keep getting a serial error every time I try and do this. So I unplug the Laisimo, turn it off, I turn it back on, and then I attempt to plug it in again, and it goes through its little detection again. It says COM4, which is, that's the COM port, but then it comes back with a serial error again. So okay, fine, I'm going to go ahead and back up, and we're just going to go ahead and try loading a picture from the computer. But then I get a serial error again. So we're going to try, let me slide this over real quick. Okay, that way you can see the Device Manager. Unplug it, turn it off, then I'm going to turn it back on, then I'm going to connect it, and it gives me a serial error again. So screw this, we're going to go try to do it through Bluetooth. So let me explain how to do it through Bluetooth here. Okay, since we're having problems with our computer, we're going to go ahead and try changing the background using Bluetooth. Phone that has the L3 Laisimo app in it from iTunes, and then your Laisimo. I'm going to turn this on, 5 clicks, wait for it to boot up. We're going to slide the screen up. We're going to go to Bluetooth, turn it on, go back, turn the phone on, go into our utilities, find the Laisimo L3 app and run it. Okay, it found it. Now it's successfully connected. We're going to go into settings. We're going to go to screen settings, screensaver, and then we're going to change the M5 paper. So we select, tap it in the center. We're going to choose from the photo instead of taking a photo. Now I've already got one here that's already formatted, and you just kind of pinch it and let it go, and it auto sizes. I'm guessing this is okay. I haven't clicked any of the other ones, but it's kind of seems like this one would be okay. So click that, and now this is what's going to be transferred. We tell it okay, and now it's ready to send, and you'll see the percentage start, and it goes really slow. And this is, you can go get a cup of coffee right now, or gotta go to the bathroom or something, come back in probably about 4 or 5 minutes and it'll be done. So that's the only downside to using Bluetooth, is it takes a while. So I'll probably fast forward this part until it gets to 0. So I'm going to stop talking now. Alright, down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Finally. Okay. So now the wallpaper over here should be updated. So let's take a look. Or it's still transferring, one of the two. Let's try restarting it. Okay, now let's go into settings. Sorry, display, wallpaper. And we're going to go to the M5. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. So it transferred it. So okay, that's the one we're going to use. And there you go. And I had some problems using the computer. Kept getting a serial error. So this is about the only way to actually go through and get it to transfer. Now this only might be because I'm using Windows 7. Of course, it could be the drivers. I mean, there's a ton of variables, but it definitely works through Bluetooth. But it just takes a long time for your phone to transfer it to Bluetooth. All right. Well, I hope this helped you guys. This is Scuba Bat Dan. I'm out.